Hello, my name is Pradeep Kharge and I am going to explain my internship work that I have done at Nomura in this video. So, Nomura is an investment bank which is located in Mumbai, and I was selected as a technical analyst intern for the internship of my course. And during this entire duration of 6 months, I have worked on three projects in Nomura. So I will start explaining about them one by one. So my first project was Graphql Federation. Graphql is a federation is a technology which is used to build distributed architecture for backend services. The whole idea is to divide the different backend services into multiple subgraphs and supercompose them using the supergraph. So you can with a single query, you can fetch data across the multiple subgraphs which are developed in different stacks. So, using this technology, multiple teams can work on things simultaneously. They don't need to wait for the other team to implement their features, and this saves a lot of time as compared to the traditional REST architecture where we have to send multiple APIs for fetching data of different kind. Using GraphQL Federation, we can just use one query that can intelligently fetch data according to the logic from different backend services. So I was asked in this project to study GraphQL Federation and implement a small project on it. And accordingly, also I was asked to migrate the architecture from Federation 1 to Federation 2. So, considering there are some considerate changes from Federation 1 to Federation 2, so it was quite a challenging task, which I, along with the help of my mentors, tried to perform, and we achieved success in that. Next, next project was developing a full stack application for Nomura, and the whole idea behind the application was to build something for the Nomura employees to recognize their contributions and award them accordingly. So this application, I developed the UI and backend as well, and in this application, there were different components like the home screen, the nominations form screen, then there was the admin screen, then there was view nomination screens. So each component have multiple sub components that I worked upon. uh, so I, along with the guidance of my mentors, tried to achieve all the required requirements. And the major things that I used for this project was React.js, TypeScript, and design for the design library, Formic for forms, Yup validations for the schema validation, AG Grid for the grid layout, GraphQL for the writing APIs and integrating them. Overall, I would like to say that in this project, I did multiple amount of work, including the UI and creating the APIs for backend and fetching data and integrating the API. So I got to learn a lot from my seniors in this project. This was the major project that I worked in Nomura, and this added a lot to my skill set. In the end, I would like to talk about my last project, which is the Splunk-based dashboard. So Splunk is a tool that is used to check rule logs, and it can be used to build dashboards to visualize the data. So it starts with the data collection, using the gathering the rule logs from the system and ingesting them into index. Then we can check the rule logs and see if they are coming properly. And in the end, using the Splunk tool, we can build beautiful dashboards which can show charts and graphs for visualizing the data. Uh, in the end, I would like to conclude by saying that my whole experience at Nomura was very nice. I got to learn a lot from my seniors, and I got to work on different technologies, which will be very helpful for me in my future career. And together with the team, I learned how to take charge of things, and the whole enterprise experience was very good for me. In the end, I would like to say this was a really good experience. Thank you.